Alright, so we're doing some garden planning. We did this on the Mother Earth News website.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're... Hello, wifey.
Good morning.
And they're a bunch of dirty hippies, but they have a good website and good articles too, if you can get past the dirty hippie aspect of it. And
it's a free thing, like, what is it, like, free trial program.
Right.
And then I think it's like $30 a year.
seeing like it just has, like, you put your rows in and all of that. And then so what's cool about that is that it tells you, like, pole beans, 200 plants, lima beans, 36 plants, peas, 90 plants, so forth and so on. And then we backed into the approximate yield for each plant. And it looks like if we do our job, the spring garden should produce about 544 pounds of food, which is cool. Like, if we do our part and it does its part and everything works out, like, at least good, not great, but at least good, it's over 500 pounds of food. So that's the benefit to, like, doing a plan. And it doesn't have to be this plan, but a plan.
Right.
And the cool thing is, it's like stuff that we'll eat, like pole beans, lima beans, peas, cucumbers, tomatoes, celery, carrots, garlic, onions, peppers, chili peppers, ginger, potatoes, cauliflower, broccoli, and bush beans. And
they're not stuck out in the gap there.
Okay, hold on.
hold on,
Take two.
children. So also not pictured is an asparagus bed, dedicated asparagus bed, and
An herb garden.
and the herb garden, yeah, and then the row crops. And so we have, that's just the vegetable garden, and then one of our viewers and our Maggies and a friend, Charlie Bear, you should go to, by the way, he has a channel, Buzzard Roost, so go check out Buzzard Roost. At our last mag meetup, brought us a bucket, this bucket, and he said, here, that's for you, because we like y'all. And I was like, cool, thanks. Like, that's awesome, why did you do that? And so in here are, show the people what we're working with here.
10 cups of corn.
10 cups of corn. It's about 5 pounds. And then, what else you got? Oh, here.
That's all I got.
You got,
What do I got?
go ahead.
10 cups of buckwheat.
Buckwheat. And they're all in vacuum sealed.
Right. And 10 cups of oats.
Oatmeal. Well, oats, not oatmeal yet.
Yeah.
One day.
And 10 cups of Milo.
Milo, which is sorghum, drought-resistant sorghum. So if you're like, what's Milo? It's drought-resistant sorghum. And then, hold on.
That's wheat.
And then wheat. Right here. Should I drop this on your toe?
No.
No, don't drop on toe. Copy. And then over 100 varieties of garden seed. Oh, the baby needs you. So what we're doing is looking at, hey, simmer down a minute. So what we're looking at is what varieties do we have here versus what varieties we want, and then we can back into what do we need to get for springtime. So the cool thing here is, planning, the rule of the 7 Ps. Proper previous planning prevents piss poor performance. So we have a plan. We have material. Now we're just waiting on spring. So, you got anything else to add?
Yay, spring.
Yay, spring.
No.
It's December.
Yeah. We have a little.
One of these days, yeah. But cool. Shalom. It's bites time. We're in the sheep house. They were off-roading yesterday. They love it. Finally convinced them that they should not be hanging out in their pen all the time. And then once they figured it out, they're like, this is awesome. So now they dig it. But right now they got grain to eat. So another small facet of this homestead thing, getting things up and running. It's tough mindset wise in the winter. Not that we've had a real winter yet, but this time of year when nothing will grow, and caveat asterisk, okay, I know things will grow, but and I'm tired of having to police my words for the few. Just get on board, okay? Cool. This time of winter when nothing will grow, it's difficult mentally to make progress, right? So we do a lot of planning of what the spring is going to look like and maintenance and the whole nine, but it's not as conducive an environment to get outside and work. So, and also truthfully, I've been really busy with other things, but it's nice to just watch the sheep eat bites.
What are you doing? You seen the lammies? Clyde. Bonnie. Baby. Come on. Were you eating donuts?
Yeah.
Yeah? Were they powdered donuts? Yeah. Okay. Come on. Good job. Hey, hey, hey. High five. Thanks. Say bye, lammies.
Bye, Lemmy.
Bye, lammies.
Homestead update. You're out here sawzalling cedar limbs off the tree in your birdie clothes. Cedar trimming?
Yeah.
And what's the baby wearing?
I don't know. We
Part of
found
a
that
barrel?
under the trees.
That's a barrel band.
Yeah.
That's a barrel band.
There's
Cool.
under the trees that have been cut.
Good job.
Come see?
I can. I got a call. I'll be there in a minute. Yeah. Patreon holiday calls. All of them.
Hi, Mama. I hit so freeze.
What? Mama chopped trees?
No, she hit herself in the eye with
Oh no.